I have a question today, and it's all about pattern paper and how can I use it in projects beyond just putting it on a scrapbook page. This is Creative Crafters Podcast. Hi, I'm Bette from Bette's Makes, and this is your questions answered. Now, I did a little research into this and found quite a few answers, and I just love what a lot of people have been saying. And Jamie Brooke came to mind when taking a look at pattern paper and cardstock craft ideas, plus scrapbook.com also had a number of things. But here are some things that really stood out for me and places that it's very easy to use when designing something with your Cricut. And of course, number one is embellishments, because pattern paper can make great embellishments, cut out into shapes, all kinds of things. Not just shapes, but you can make them into banners, you can glue words onto them, so embellishments come to mind. And then different things like folded rosettes. So a rosette in a pattern paper, and in our Valentine's workshop we used a pattern paper for the background for the rosette and added things on top, another pattern paper, so that is a couple of them. And of course you can use it for gift tags, you can decorate tins with it, you can make pinwheels, you can make flowers. Actually, as a lining in an envelope, that was a really great idea. And then if you're doing journal making and you're making your own cover, those patterns look incredible on the outside because you can add titles and everything else on top. Now, as we're walking through a few of these things, just remember when you're into journaling, you can cut small pieces out, you can decorate your journal, you can frame things as well, and you can make a lot of cute little mini albums out of it. You can decorate all kinds of surfaces such as coasters or clipboards, or even have places to decorate your own Cricut machine. So there are a number of things that you can do with it. You can actually treat it like a washi tape, so you can cover things over with it with the pattern paper as long as you use something like Mod Podge to go over top of it to seal it into place. But my favorite thing, of course, is the rosettes, and I love doing gift boxes and bags with the pattern paper as well. So there are a lot of things way beyond scrapbooking that you can use pattern paper for. This has been the Creative Crafters Podcast, and your questions answered.